Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Asana proofing workflows for faster creative approvals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Asana proofing workflows, start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project where your proofing workflows are set up. Click on the project name to open the project details. Locate the project actions menu, typically represented by 3 dots or an icon in the upper right corner. Select Export from the drop-down menu. Choose the CSV option for exporting your project data. If prompted, select the specific proofing workflows you want to download. Confirm your selection, and the CSV file will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, locate the CSV file in your device's Downloads folder. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet application, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the contents of the file to ensure all workflow details are included. If necessary, make any edits to customize the workflows according to your team's needs. Save the edited file with a clear and recognizable name. To re-import the workflows back into Asana, go back to your Asana account. Navigate to the project where you want to import the workflows. Click on the Project Actions menu again. This time, select Import from the drop-down menu. Choose the edited CSV file from your device. Follow the prompts to map the columns from your CSV to the Asana fields. Once the mapping is complete, click Import to finalize the process. Your proofing workflows should now be successfully set up in Asana, ready for faster creative approvals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.